Heave ho, my lads, the wind blows free, a pleasant gale is on our lee. As soon across the ocean clear, a gallant bark so bravely steer. But ere we part from England's shores tonight, a song we'll sing for home and beauty bright. Then here's to the sailor, and here's to the heart so true, who would think of him upon the waters blue? Sailing, sailing over the bounding main, for many a stormy wind shall blow till Jack comes home again. Sailing, sailing over the bounding main, for many a stormy wind shall blow till Jack comes home again. The sailor's life is bold and free, his home is on the rolling sea. He never heart more true and brave than he who launches on the wave and speeds the distant climes to Rome, and jocund song he rides the sparkling foam. The tide is flowing with the gale. Heave ho, my lads, set every sail. The harbor bar we soon shall clear. Farewell once more to home so dear. For when the tempest rages so loud and long, the home shall be our guiding star among